So, welcome back to another, let's say, review video. And yeah, we do the Red Bull, but we're not sponsored still. Hope soon we get. But this is an MK8 Ford Fiesta 2020, and used to be an ST line. No? This car used to be an ST line, and it was really nice. But now, as you can see here, it's not so nice anymore. So the previous owner did a mistake, ran into something and destroyed the car. The car is nice, it's good for the parts. The thing that I wanna, it's gonna be and how to do and what to do videos. Probably we did cover already an MK8, and on this one there's gonna be some few things that I didn't do on the last one, so stay tuned. There's gonna be some new videos coming. As you can see, we did had this this was also an MK8, but now it's missing few things. This car was hit not so badly as the blue one, but we already took out the engine, and it was automatic transmission, so it was really nice car with a low mileage. As you can see here, it used to be an automatic. The front windshield is okay. It was damaged here, but even that was not that hard. The only thing, the electricity was really bad hit. But for a parts car, it's nice. So stay tuned. We're gonna make some more videos on how to, and we're still waiting for that one car for the channel. That one Toyota Moa. It's gonna be Ford, of course, and it's not gonna be automatic. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, write, like, subscribe, and all the nice things, so we grow the channel. Thank you, and see you next